Going to the emo corner.
Why you mad? Why you mad? Get glad. Stop hating on my swag.
Hey guys, it is a crap-tastic day. Ew, look how poofy my hair is because it's like wet outside, it's raining outside. It's been super dark all day and it was hailing and I was happy because I thought we were gonna have a tornado and then we didn't end up having a tornado and I was like, I just want people to die.
Oh wow, are you serious?
That is complete trash.
Did it break?
Yep. Pretty.
Or is it?
It snaps out.
Okay, I need to like watch the.
Look, I know it's been a little tough lately, especially with Dr. Macario.
Yes, apple.
So we got Liza. We got McDonald's, even though I already ate Subway. I'm fat. I'm probably going to the movies tonight. So I woke up a few hours ago. I see you. And I went and I just like laid around a little bit, and I heard Elijah whining because we had him overnight. And then I went and I got him, and we cuddled for a little bit. Did you just fart? And I don't know if I have to start getting ready for the Choral Extravaganza. Hey guys, I'm in the emo corner. Right now we're at the Choral Extravaganza. I'm vlogging. My vlog's going up Sunday. You're gay.
That's how it works.
Now here we got
This is for my YouTube channel.
banger.
Wait a minute.
That sicky drop beat.
Turn on that music again.
I know you see somehow the world's gonna change for me
and feel so wonderful. Oh, my body and life, breathe air. I know how we're gonna get there and feel so wonderful.
Never watch Kylie?
Real, and I'll tell you just how I feel. So wake up, I'm so real. Wake up, the members of our nation. It's no time to be. There's no chance unless you take one. And you see the right side of every situation. It ain't to let it go. And you don't know where you are now. What it would come to if only somebody was here. When you figure out how you're lost in your moment, you're dead. So you don't have to be afraid, but your dreams in action. You're never gonna let me be a main attraction. Not meant to say, just remember me when it turns out right. Cause you know that if you're living.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
But you're all gonna lose your mind.
Hey, play that video for me.
Huh?
Play that video for me. Go into your memories.
What? What video? Wait.
The video you just had.
It's on my story. I didn't save it.
What? You're not 5. Yeah.
I'm in 4th grade this year.
Right. Come on.
I'm 18 years old.
Let's go on an adventure.
Just got roasted.
You just like to pray.
Yeah, you just got roasted. You just got roasted. Do you see where my fingers are though? I'm like covering them.
Today's video will be covering
Joen.
John, that's Joan. Oh, that's not John.
Joan.
What are you doing, Genesis? Vlogging.
Oh my god, wait. Who knows?
watched your last video. Whoa! I just nodded.
That's the problem. I can't find my hair.
I'm sorry. I didn't get you. I just nodded.
Ew, they're
You
leaving
just
me
nodded.
with German
Not even close.
Dylan, I'm really like all part of
Yo, girl, Allie here. Hey, few words.
You said it was right here. Or forehead.
I wiped my snot on my pants. I'm so cool.
Okay, follow me on Instagram at alyssa.k.
Add me on Snapchat. Add me on Snapchat. Tyler.by. Don't ask. I said. Yeah, I don't want. I saw.
Oh, that was my baby.
Oh my cooter! My écoute!
We're done with the Choral Extravaganza.
And so this is Tyler taking over the vlog now. Okay,
That's not even the how you vlog. It's gotta be that way.
Okay, so why am I white? Okay, cool. Ugh. Okay, so how do I focus on me? No, okay, it didn't focus right. Okay, so we're doing the Choral Extravaganza. This is Genesis and her ugly self. Here's Ben.
I want to get on your vlog. Or whatever you're doing. Stop.
And then I also have a predicament because the person I have a thing with is here, and my dad is here as well, and they can't see each other, or else I'm in big trouble. So I'm just talking about my worries of having a thing with someone and my father. So yeah, let's go find my parents. You can have your vlog back if you like. No, just kidding. I can't find anybody. I'm vlogging like this the entire time. You're supposed to vlog like this the entire time. I didn't do
I need to call my mom.
Oh, okay.
We just got home. We sat in the high school parking lot forever because it takes a long time to get out of there with big, like, ew, my nostrils, with like big stuff going on, like big events and stuff. So yeah, we sat there for a while, decided what we were gonna eat, and
Genesis.
what?
Oh my gosh. Come here. I come to set it back down.
No!
It's been in there the whole. Can you catch it with the reflection? I can't believe. Oh, he's scared. Look at Joel.
Well, he can go hang out with his brother.
Yes.
Templeton.
Templeton, look at what we found. Now I have to figure out how to get him out.
There's Templeton in there.
Templeton. I brought somebody for you. I'm not quite sure how to go about doing this. Come here. I got you. No, you can't go that way. Got your tail. Go the other way. Oh, shoot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. I knew that was going to happen. Genesis, close the door. 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 Put something in. Dang it.
Welcome to our learning farm. We have lunch to show.
So that didn't work out. Five-Will ran away. We lost him. Ooh, that watermelon looks good. So, anyways, as I was saying, so we got Little Caesars and we're about to eat.
I'm going to cut some watermelon first. After these away.
So yeah, and you will see me tomorrow or maybe even tonight depending on what I do. And that's where the vlog ended because I was too lazy to do an outro. And also I thought I was going to be vlogging more because I thought there was going to be Stomp today, but as people who live here in Wisconsin know, that out there we have had a snowstorm since what, Friday night, Mom? Or no, actually the snowstorm started Friday.
Yeah. Yes, it did.
Yeah, and it's now Sunday and
The
it's
crazy monkey.
still been going.
Still in there running.
So yeah, Stomp got canceled, which I was planning on vlogging. So yeah, this is the outro. My lame outro because I don't know. I feel weird about outros. Whatever. Peace out. Bye.